So we'll make a fresh aloe vera juice for the plants, especially for the flowering plants today. And it is really very useful for flowering plants because aloe vera has a lot of health benefits. And select a plant in your garden, aloe vera plant, and cut off a leaf from it. Okay, now I'm going to cut one of these stems. This is the aloe vera leaf that I have cut, and I'll show you how I make the juice out of it. So since we are using this for our plants, you don't need to cut and chop all these. You can simply cut the leaf, and if you have taken 2 leaves, no problem. You can cut it off like this and take a mixer jar and blend it. Whatever the quantity that you put your mixer jar, and add some water and get the mixer out of the aloe vera leaves. So here my aloe vera juice is ready now. I'm going to use this directly on my plants. So I will show you how I use it.